Hotjar is a powerful behavior analytics platform that helps you understand how users interact with your WordPress website through heat maps, session recordings, and user feedback surveys. The recommended method for installing Hotjar on WordPress is using the official Hotjar plugin. This ensures automatic updates, better compatibility, and easier management. Step 1. Navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard and go to Plugins, then Add New. Search for Hotjar in the plugin repository. Click the Install Now button next to the official Hotjar plugin, then activate it once the installation is complete. Step 3. You need to get your Hotjar site ID from your Hotjar dashboard. Log into your Hotjar account and navigate to Sites and Organizations to find your unique site ID. Step 4. Return to your WordPress dashboard and configure the Hotjar plugin. Enter your site ID in the plugin settings, configure any tracking preferences, and save your changes. Finally, verify that Hotjar is working correctly. You can check your Hotjar dashboard for incoming data or use browser developer tools to confirm the tracking script is loading properly on your website. The official Hotjar plugin method provides the most reliable way to integrate Hotjar with your WordPress site. It ensures automatic updates, maintains compatibility, and simplifies the entire setup process without requiring any code modifications. For users who prefer more control, manual code integration offers an alternative to the plugin method. This approach involves directly adding the Hotjar tracking code to your WordPress theme files. First, navigate to your Hotjar dashboard and locate your site's tracking code. This unique code snippet contains your site ID and is essential for data collection. Next, update the step indicator and prepare to show the WordPress file editing process. You have two main options for adding the code: the functions.php file or the header.php file. The functions.php approach is generally safer as it's less likely to be overwritten during theme updates. When using the header.php method, ensure you place the tracking code before the closing head tag. This positioning is crucial for proper script loading and data collection. After implementing the code, verification becomes crucial to ensure everything is working correctly. There are several methods to confirm your Hotjar installation is successful. The first verification method is checking your Hotjar dashboard for incoming data. Within minutes of implementation, you should see session data and visitor activity appearing in your analytics. The second verification method uses browser developer tools. Open the Network tab in Chrome DevTools and reload your page. Look for the Hotjar script in the network requests to confirm it's loading properly. Finally, monitor real-time visitor tracking and wait for heat map generation. Heat maps typically require 24 to 48 hours to accumulate sufficient data for meaningful visualization of user behavior patterns. Manual code integration provides greater control over your Hotjar implementation. While it requires more technical knowledge than the plugin method, it offers flexibility and ensures the tracking code remains active, regardless of plugin updates or changes.